How to visit and navigate gogift.com website. First of all, open your favorite web browser and type gogift.com in the address bar. Then press enter to load the home page. Once the home page appears, you will see a clean and easy to use layout with different gift categories clearly shown. At the top, there's a navigation bar with 5 main sections: Platform, Product, Solution, About Us, and Resources. Under the Platform menu, you will find options like GoGift Platform, Digital Gift Card, How it works, and more. If you are new to the site, check out the How it works section. It explains the purchasing process, delivery options, and payment methods perfect for the first-time users. Under Products, you can browse the Global Gift Card, Single Brand Gift Card, Prepaid Gift Card, and other options. This section highlights the variety of gift cards and tech features available. When you find a gift card you like, click on it to open its product page. Here you can pick the amount to load, read the terms and conditions, and see any special deals. Adding a gift card to your cart is simple. Just hit the Add to Cart button, then go to Checkout when you are ready. You will enter your payment info and email for delivery. After your purchase is complete, you will get a confirmation email with your gift card details and instructions on how to use it. Now you know how to visit and navigate gogift.com website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.